All right, let's go ahead and take a look at S6. As you notice, there's no paper this time because we're strictly going to work on graphing. Here we have graph this line using the slope and y-intercept, and you will find that slope-intercept form is the best form to use when you're graphing because you're going to be given the y-intercept and the slope. So this equation is y is equal to negative 1/7 x minus 4. So the first thing I want you to determine is look at the slope and decide whether or not it's going to be a line that rises from left to right, like an airplane taking off, or a line that falls from left to right, like an airplane landing. Well, because this negative is in front of the 1/7, we can determine that this is going to be a negative slope, so our line should be going down when we get through. So let's start at the y-intercept, which is negative 4. And what we're going to do is we're going to go 1 down and 7 to the right. Click on it, hit submit. Let's try the next one. This again is going to be a negative slope because I have a negative in front of my slope, which is an imaginary 1 right here. So I'm going to start at my y-intercept, which is positive 1. I'm going to go down 1 unit and to the right 1 unit. Notice how the line falls as you read it from left to right. Look at how excellent we are. Now this time, look at your slope, and it's positive, which means our line should go up from left to right. We're going to start at our y-intercept, which is negative 7. Down here, we're going to go up 1 and to the right 9. Now I want you to notice that this having a fraction here makes the line tilt less. I'll show you what I mean when we don't have a fraction. So let's hit submit. Perfect. We have y is equal to 7x minus 5. Well, we know our slope is positive, so our line will rise from left to right. Our y-intercept is negative 5, so we place a dot there, and we're going to go up 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to go 1 to the right. Now, if you remember the last graph that we looked at, it was 1/9, and the line itself kind of laid more flat. Well, the higher this number is above 1, the more steep the graph is. So you'll need to remember that. Let's go ahead and submit. All right, let's do one more, and then we'll be done with this one, and we'll move on. So we've got y is equal to negative 1/8 x plus 10. So our y-intercept is 10. Now, we're going to go down 1 and to the right 8. Notice how the line lays more flat, and this is a fraction. We're so awesome. Yes, we are. Okay, so that's it for S10. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you later.